Welcome to my viewers, students and guardians. Today I am going to take a class about you. First question is whether pronoun you or word you is singular form or plural form. Most of the people know word you is a plural form. That's why whenever we make a sentence using you, you are my sister, you are my sister, you are a good boy, you are a good boy, you are helpless, you are my brothers and sisters, brothers, sisters, you are ill, you are ill, etc. You are able to see this type of the sentences which have been written by me. You are my sister, you are a good boy, you are a helpless, you are my brothers and sisters, you are ill, etc. Above examples are showing that you have been used sometimes as singular like this. These are singular. Because you are my sister, sister is a singular form. You are a good boy, good boy a singular subject. My sister is a singular subject. A good boy is a singular subject. So you have been used as singular in the first two sentences. Next sentences, you were helpless. It may be, it can be singular or plural. You are my brothers and sisters. It is also plural form. You are ill. It is also plural form. And because you are a y is a plural form. You are ill. It also used, or it has been also used as plural subject because R is a plural form. Plural form. So you already come to know that sometimes you have been used as plural form, plural subject, plural subject. Sometimes you have been used as singular subject, or sometimes you have been used as singular subject or plural subject. So what is the singular forms of you? I am going to discuss it. I am going to show you. Next question is that what is the singular form of you? What is the singular form of you? Answer is thou. Answer is thou. Thou is the singular form of you. Thou is the singular form of you. Here I want to discuss about helping verbs or auxiliary verbs of you. You know, R is the auxiliary verb, of R. Sorry. of you. Like you are fat. This type of examples, this type of the sentence has been used with the helping verb. In the case of thou, what will be the helping verb? Or what will be the auxiliary verb? I need to clear up this. Art is the helping verb of thou. Note it down. Like I am giving some example. Thou art my lovable child. Thou art my lovable child. Thou, sorry, it will be art. Thou art my dearest person. Now question is, what is the first form of art? Question is, what is the first form of art? Answer is worst. Worst is the past form. Worst is the past form of art. Next question is, what kind of the helping verbs or auxiliary verbs are applicable for thou? These are art, worst, hast, dosed, hadst, didst. Example, hast a bag. Thou hadst a sister. Thou art my lover. I hope now you are able to know what are auxiliary verbs thou of thou. I hope now you are able to know what are auxiliary verbs of thou and what are the auxiliary verbs of you. Now I am going to discuss what is objective forms of thou and what is the possessive adjective forms of thou and what is the possessive pronoun of thou. Follow me. What is objective form? The objective form of thou. What is the objective form of thou? Second question is that what is the possessive adjective, possessive adjective of thou. Third question is that what is the possessive pronoun of thou? First answer and second answer and third answer you have to know the what is the objective form of thou, what is the possessive adjective of thou, what is the possessive pronoun of thou. Now I am showing you all about it in the following box. Please follow me. Pronoun thou. I'm just making a box. I mean drawing a box. Please try to understand. Subjective form, subjective form, subjective form, objective form, possessive adjective, possessive pronoun. I think that you are being able to understand what is going on. If thou is the subjective form, thee will be the objective form, thy will be possessive adjective, and thine will be possessive pronoun. What will be the Bengali forms of these particular words? I'm going to write it for your benefit. তুমি, তোমাকে, তোমার, তোমার. I think you know what's the functions of the subjective forms, and possessive adjective and possessive pronoun. As because in the last class, if you follow our last video, I think that you would be able to understand the functions of these particular forms. তুমি, তোমাকে, তোমার, তোমার. Thou, thee, thy, thine. Now I hope you came to know all about you and thou. Also, I hope you are glad to watch this video. If you are really glad to listen and watch this video, please comment in the comment box in my channel. If you have a questions, please write the questions in the comment box. Thank you for watching this video.